For some strange reason, traditional instruments was not what I wanted to use. So growing up in the hood of the South Bronx, I simply chose my own. The big DJs of the 70s would never touch the grooves of the reggae, just the edge. Whenever a DJ wanted to find a particular part on the vinyl, they would use the tone arm to find the desired section of the record they wanted, never touching the vinyl. By the use of a turntable, a handmade mixer, and literally placing my fingers on the vinyl, I never really realized that I would be changing the way DJs played music forever.
Sounds you hear so good to hear. Have no fear. The great Grandmaster is here.
The official adventures of...
Give it up for Grandmaster Flash,
Flash. Flash. Flash.
Ali John. Nem szól bele a mikrofonba. Akkor mi nyomjuk a koncert.
Somebody make some noise!
I want to say thank you for coming to the show. Somebody put their hands in the air so I can see that you are there. How many people in the building love hip-hop? Make some noise. I want to say something very important before we get started. There are 3 rules, 3 very important rules to hip-hop. Rule number 1. If I'm playing a hot song on the deck, I want you to put your hands in the air so I can see that you're jamming. Put your hands in the air. Rule number 2, if I'm playing a hot jam on the turntables, I want you to make some noise. All right, demo. Let's go, man.